Hi friends, hello, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are all doing great. So it's your favorite girl Vicky. It's been a while. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are all doing great. Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I do appreciate your love, your support. Even though I've not been able to upload videos for a while, some people have actually asked me if I was okay. So thank you guys. I'm okay. I'm hale and hearty. Just have been a little bit busy or so. So if this is your first time clicking on my video, thank you so much for clicking on this particular video. Please don't forget to subscribe and support this ministry to grow. So I received a package from one of my sisters, Venus Diary. She's actually here on YouTube and on Facebook. Don't forget to follow her, guys. Don't forget to follow her and support the ministry to grow. So this is the package. This my sister. She's very talented. Yeah, God has blessed her hands. So my little advice: be one another's keeper. I'm going to advertise this. If you need it, just send me a DM to support her work. If you need it, just send me a DM. If you would like to own one of these. So very quickly, let me just ta-da-da! Do you see the colors? The colors are so beautiful, so amazing, so beautiful. Oh my G, it's a whole lot, guys. It's a whole lot. So where do I start? Where do I start? Okay, let's go one after the other. So these are handmade winter bonnets. Handmade. So it's a complete set for the whole family. Our mornings are always very busy. I hope we could take a family picture together, all of us, with this one day, hopefully. Okay, sometimes it's difficult because we don't leave the house at the same time. Sometimes that is morning shift, sometimes I'm morning shift, so sometimes we are not at home at the same time. So this is one. So the blue one is for the boys. Let me wear it on this mannequin head, but the mannequin head is bigger than my boy's head. So this is how it looks like. I don't know if you can see that very well. They are not at home, but I'm still going to wear this on them. So it's a bonnet. Okay. So it's a bonnet, or they are bonnets. You can wear it both sides like so, and you can turn it and bring up the white side. It is really beautiful, guys. I don't have any ring light on, so I think the camera is not doing justice to this. So it's a bonnet, and this is a shawl to go with the bonnet, a matching shawl. My children are going to look like celebrity at school. Okay, it's matching shawl and bonnet. This is the second one, blue and white, matching shawl and bonnet, handmade, very beautiful, very cute, and very unique. This is the second one. So this is how they are going to be slaying to school tomorrow, looking all shiny, all glammed up. I thought they had to wait two. Is this a mistake? I thought there were two hats, but there are actually three. I don't know. Okay, so this. Okay. Now I understand. Okay, these two are for the boys. I'm really doubting because this one is big. So these two are for the boys, and the bigger one is for daddy. Okay, so this is it, guys. I just really want to show you, see how pretty this looks like. Look at the color. I think the camera is not doing justice to this because I don't have any ring lights on. So it's very beautiful, it's very cute. I love them a lot. Thank you so much, sis. So this is one, the first one. So this is the bonnet or head warmer and the shawl. It's that season of the year, guys, where it's very cold. Autumn and winter is fast approaching. So you need this. You need this. Oh, if you are here in Europe, America, Asia, Canada, you need this for your children. You don't want your children getting pneumonia. You don't want them having runny nose all the time. So my little advice for parents: keep your children warm. These things are affordable. Okay, so this is the other one. This is the big one. So this one is for daddy. And this one is for mommy. Yay, this is for me, guys. See that? If you have braided wigs, guys, if you're putting on braided wig or you have normal braids, this is going to work just perfect. Or any long wig, you get it? So you know, sometimes when you're outside, you mostly feel cold around the ear area. I don't know if I'm the only one who has that problem. I used to feel cold, like my ears are woo. So this is going to be very handy. Thank you so much, darling. I actually love them. They are beautiful. So if you love this, please send me a DM. If you love this, leave it in it. You know when you're excited, right? Sometimes you get confused. I don't know what to do. So this is the review and this is what they actually look like. They are beautiful and I love them. What do you guys think? Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. Oh my God. Do I look like a rich auntie that you know? Check that out. Okay, so this is all about the review. They are very beautiful, very unique, and they are going to keep you warm. So leave your thoughts about the video in the comment section down below. If you've watched up to this extent, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Don't forget, let love lead. Love yourself, love your neighbor, spread love, spread positive energy. Or if people stay for a while without talking to you, you can send them a message. Are you okay? No grudges. People are going through a lot. A friend or that family member might be going through something and you think they're ignoring you. Check on them. Thank you so much. I love you, but remember, God loves you most. Bye. I'll see you in my next video.